Today, I want to talk about the x squared plus a squared case of the trig substitution. So let's get into it. So let's say we have the integral of dx over the square root of x squared plus 9. Well, this is in the form x squared plus a squared, where a equals 3. So our trig sub is going to be x equals a, or 3 times tangent theta. All right? Then dx equals 3 times secant squared theta. All right? Then we're going to draw a triangle. This won't help us out quite yet, but it will later, and we'll see. So we draw this. This is a right triangle. Down here we're going to have our a value, or 3. Here we have x, and here we have square root of x squared plus 9. All right? So then, how do we want to go about doing this? Well, the square root of x squared plus 9. Let's substitute in 3 tangent theta for x squared, or for x, and see what happens. So square root x squared plus 9. This becomes square root of 9 times tangent squared theta plus 9. Okay? Then we can factor out a square root of 9, or a 3. So this is equals 3 times square root of tangent squared theta plus 1. Tangent squared theta plus 1 equals secant squared theta. We take the square root of that, and we get secant theta. So this equals 3 secant theta. All right? Then what we're going to do is this equals, let's substitute our stuff in. Dx, oh, I forgot the little d theta. Don't forget the d theta. That's an easy mistake to do. Don't forget it. Dx equals 3 times secant squared theta d theta over, well, we know what this equals. We just solved for it. 3 secant theta. All right? Now these 3's can cancel out. We can get rid of the secant, and that won't be squared anymore. So this is now just the integral of secant theta d theta. All right? Now, the integral of secant theta equals the natural log of the absolute value of secant theta plus tan theta. Okay? Plus c. So, here you might be tempted to be done, but we're not done, because this is in terms of theta, and we want our final answer to be terms of x. So what do we know? What does secant theta equal? Well, that's going to be tough for us to determine, but here's what we can do. We can come up to our triangle that we drew over here. And what do we know secant theta equals? Well, secant theta is also 1 over cosine, or hypotenuse over adjacent. So hypotenuse over adjacent. So this becomes the natural log of the absolute value. Hypotenuse is square root x squared plus 9. This is over adjacent, which is 3, plus tangent. Tangent is opposite over adjacent, x over 3, plus c. Now we could manipulate this a little bit more, but this is going to be our final answer, and that's how you do a trig sub with the form x squared plus a squared. Thank you for watching. Let me know if I said anything wrong, or if you have anything additional to add. Have a great day.